Hi viewers, welcome to Rajesh Lekaru. Today our topic is simplex method problem. So see here, solve using linear programming problem method of simplex. Maximum z equal to x1 minus x2 plus 3x3 subject to constraints x1 plus x2 plus x3 less than or equal to 10. 2x1 minus x3 less than or equal to 2x1 minus 2x2 plus 3x3 less than or equal to 0. Therefore, x1, comma x2, comma x3 greater than or equal to 0. See here, three variables involving here. This is the objective function, this is subject to constraints, this is the non-negative constraints. Okay, all variables always is the non-negative constraints greater than or equal to 0. Okay, now how many variables involving here? Three variables. Okay, for suppose solve using LPP. Okay, he asking question, solve using LPP. Okay, maximum, max z something, this one, these three. Okay, how we can identify? See here, these three constraints are less than or equal type, so we can easily apply simplex method. Okay, less than or equal to type, all the constraints are less than or equal to type. Okay, we can apply that simplex method. Okay, clearly, right? See here, solution. The given objective function is maximization. Okay, see here, right? The given objective function is maximization form. So we need not be change anything. Okay, right? All the RHS right hand side, see here, all the RHS constants of the constraints is positive. See here, this is RHS side, all the constraints are positive. Okay, and all the constraints are less than or equal to type. So we can easy to apply simplex method. Okay, right? That implies, see here, x1 plus x2 plus x3 less than or equal to 10. See here, this one, right? Okay, next 2x1 plus 0x2 minus x3 less than or equal to 2. Next 2x1 minus 2x2 minus x3 less than or equal to 0. See here, these three constraints right here, right? Convert the inequality constraints. Inequality means here less than or equal to type, or less than or greater than or equal to type, less than or equal or greater than or equal to. Okay, that means here inequalities. Okay, constraints as equation by introducing slack variables. S1 greater than or equal to 0. See here, given equation 1 and equation 2 and equation 3. S1 greater than or equal to 0 in equation 1, comma S2 greater than or equal to 0 in equation 2, and S3 greater than or equal to 0 in equation 3. So therefore maximum z equal to x1 minus x2 plus 3x3 plus 0s1 plus 0s2 plus 0s3. Okay, now introducing slack variables s1, s2, s3. S1 greater than or equal 0 in equation 1, s2 greater than or equal 0 in equation 2, s3 greater than or equal 0 in equation 3. Equation 2 is equation 3. So that cost is zeros. Okay, right? Subject to constraints x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus s1 equal to 10. Okay, 2x1 plus 0x2 minus x3 plus s2 equal to 2. Okay, this one, right? Next, 2x1 minus 2x2 minus x3 plus s3 equal to 0. Therefore x1 comma x2 x1 comma x2 comma s3 comma s1 comma s2 comma s3 all greater than or equal to 0. Okay, now we are going to next step here. What is that? Now we convert it into the matrix form. This is the convert into the matrix form. Okay, now see here, now we convert it into the matrix form. Okay, capital A equals, what is it? x1 x2 x3 s1 s2 s3. Capital X equals x1 x2 x3 s1 s2 s3. Okay, small b equal right side here 10 to 0. Now matrix form is x1 coefficient 1 1 1 1. This first equation. S2 s3 is 0. Next second equation 2 0 minus 1 0 1 0. Next third equation 2 minus 2 3 0 0 1. Okay, now we find initial basic feasible solution is, now we find IBFS. Initial basic feasible solution is above LPP is xb equal to b inverse into b. Okay, b, now what is b means here? B is the identity matrix 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. That implies b inverse also. What is that? 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. This is the B matrix. Okay, right? xb equals 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 into b 10 to 0. That equals 10 to 0. Okay, xb. Right, now we prepare a simplex table. Next step. Now see here, now we prepare a simplex table. This is the basic variables cb xb. Now see here cj, right? Cj cost is maximization x1 minus 1. Now see here, this is 3. Okay, objective function form here. What is that? This cost is 0 0 0. Okay, right? Matrix is 1 1 1 1 0 0. Next 2 0 minus 1. Next what is that? 0 1 0. Next 2 minus 2 3 0 0 1. Okay, right? See here, this is the first iteration. See here, 1 0 0 s1 basic variable, 0 1 0 s2, next 0 0 1 s3 basic variables. S1 cost is 0. Next this one also 0, this one also 0. Right, xb matrix 10 to 0. This is. Now see here, delta j we find here. This is the first iteration. Okay, let's see here delta j. Let's see, 0 into 1 0 plus 0 into 2 0 plus 0 into 2 0 plus minus 1 minus 1. Next 0 into 1 0 plus 0 into 0 0 plus 0 into minus 2 0, completely 0. Minus of minus 1 plus 1. Next 0 into 1 0 plus 0 into minus 1 0 plus 0 into 3 0 0 minus 3 minus 3. Next 0 0 plus 0 0, complete 0. This is also 0, this is also 0. Okay, right, see here, delta j is the minimum value. What is that? This one is the minus 3 is the minimum, so we round up the column. Okay, we do here round the column. Now see here, xbi by air, these values are air. Okay, theta I equal xbi by air. Xbi 10 by 1, 10 by 1 equal to 1. 2 minus 1, don't take negative values. Okay, 2 minus 1, 2 by minus 1, don't take values. 0 by 3, this is the 0. What is the minimum in row? This is minimum ratio. This is minimum ratio. Okay, minimum ratio. See, again we round up here. This one. Okay, what is the key element or pivot element? This is the 3 is the pivot or key element. Okay, now we are using here rows. Okay, applying, this is the old row, these two are new rows, right? This is a pivot element, is the next iteration is 1. Okay, that column is all the variables are 0. Okay, right, what we do here, r3 tends to r3 by 3, r3 by 3. Okay, r3 by 3, that column, third column, right? 0 by 3 0, 2 by 3 here. Okay, third column, minus 2 by 3, 3 by 3 1, 0 by 3 0, 0 by 3 0, 1 by 3, 1 by divided by 3, 1 by 3. Okay, right, these two rows depends on this one, this new row. Okay, right, 1 minus 1, 1 plus 1, minus 1 here, plus 1. These are adding the term 0, right? Second column, second row it will come. Next 1 minus 1 0. Okay, right, right, these two are old rows, this is new row. 1 minus 1 0, 1 minus, and what is that? See here, r1 tends to r1 minus r3 cap, this means new row. Okay, right, 1 minus 2 by 3, that equal, see here, 1 minus 2 by 3, that is 1 by 3. Okay, 1 minus of minus 1 plus 2 by 3, that equals, see here, 5 by 3. Okay, 1 minus 1 0, 1 minus 0 1, 0 minus 0 0, right, 0 minus 1 by 3 minus 1 by 3. Next, minus 1 plus 1, what is that? R2. Okay, R2 tends to R2 plus R3 cap, minus 1 plus 1 0. Okay, 2 plus 2 by 3, 2 plus 2 by 3, what is the 2 plus 2 by 3? See here, 8 by 3. Next, 0 plus of minus 2 by 3, here also minus 2 by 3. Okay, 0 plus 0 0, 1 plus 0 1. Next, 0 plus 1 by 3 1 by 3. Okay, let's see here. Now this is also same, 10 minus 0 10, 2 plus 0 2. Okay, right, now see here, first we basic variables here, basic variables, what is that? 1 0 0, 1 0 0, S1. Next 0 1 0, S2. 0 0 1, X3. Okay, right, delta J. S1 cost is 0, see here, S2 cost also 0, see here, X3 cost 3. Okay, this is the second iteration. Okay, right, now see here, delta 0 into 1 by 3 0, 0 into 8 by 3 0, 3 into 2 by 3, 3 get cancelled, 2, 2 minus 1 1, Next 0 into 5 by 3 0, 0 into minus 2 by 3 0, 3 into 2 minus 2 by 3, 3 3 get cancelled, minus 2, minus 2 minus of minus plus 1, this is minus 1. Okay, right, 0 into 0 0, 0 minus 3 3, 3 minus 3 0. Next 0 0 0 minus 0 0. Next 0 into 1 0 into 0 0 0, 3 into 0 0, 0 minus 0 0. Next 0 into minus 1 by 3 0 plus 0 into 1 by 3 0 plus 3 into 1 by 3, 3 3 get cancelled, 1, 1 minus 0 1. What is the minimum here? This one, minus 1 is the minimum. Minus 1 means the minimum. Right, see, xb theta equal to, what is the theta equal to xbi by air. These values are air, this is x by 10 by 5 by 3. 10 by 5 by 3. Now see here, 10 by 5 by 3, that equal to 35, 30 by 5, that equal to 6. Okay, 2 minus 2 by minus, this is air always greater than 0, so we don't take here. 0 by negative, this is also we don't take. Okay, right, what is the minimum? This is the minimum, 6 is the minimum ratio. Now round up here, this is the pivot element or key element. Pivot element or key element. Okay, then we applying here, that column will be, next iteration is 0. Okay, now see here, 5 by 3, R3 into, R1 tends to R1 into 3 by 5. Okay, 5 by 3 into 3 by 5, 3 3 5 5 get cancelled, that will become 1. Okay, right, 8 by 3 into 3 by 5, 8 by 3 into 3 by 5, see here, what is that? 1 by 3, 1 by 3 into 3 by 5, 1 3 3 get cancelled, 1 by 5. See here, this one, 0 into 3 by 5, what is that? 0. Okay, right, next 1 into 3 by 5, 3 by 5, 0 into 3 by 5, 0. Next minus 1 by 3, minus 1 by 3 into 3 by 5, 3 3 get cancelled, minus 1 by 5, minus 1 by 5. Next see, old row minus new row, or old row plus new row. Okay, right, now see here, R2 tends to R2 plus, see here, minus, we take plus R1 cap into, what is that? 2 by 3. Okay, minus 2 by 3 plus 2 by 3 into 1, this is 0. Okay, right, 8 by 3, 8 by 3 plus 1 by 5 into 8 by 3 into 1 by 5 into 2 by 3, 2 by 3. Now see here, 8 by 3 plus 1 by 5 into 2 by 3, what is, this is LCM is 14 by 5. Now see here, 14 by 5. Next 0, 0 plus 0, 0. Next 0 plus 3 by 5, 0 plus 3 by 5 into, what is that? 3 by 5 into 2 by 3. 0 plus 3 by 5 into 2 by 3. 3 3 get cancelled. Now see here, 2 by 5. Next 0, see here, 1 plus 0, 1. 1 by 3, 1 by 3 plus minus 1 by 5 into 2 by 3, 2 by 3. Okay, now this is the LCM here. What is that? This is also 1 by 5. Right, next. Now see here, this is also third row. Third row is also given. Right, now see, 1 0 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1, 1 0 0, what is that? X2, X2, 0 1 0 S2. See, X 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 X3. What is the cost? 1 0 0 minus 1. Okay, right, 0 1 0 0 0 0 1 3. Okay, right, now here see, this is also we are doing here. What is that? This value is 10 into 3 by 5. 10 into 3 by 5. Now see here, second one also 6. This is also 4. Same using this formula here. Second and third row. Third row is R3 tends to R3 plus R1 cap into 2 by 3. Okay, this is third row formula. Now 6, 6, 4. Okay, delta J. Now third iteration, this one here. C. Minus 1 into 1 by 5. Minus 1 into 1 by 5. Minus 1 by 5, 0, 12 by 5. Minus 1 by 5, 12 by 5. See here, this is the minus 1. What is that? See here. Now see here, minus 1 by 5 plus 0 plus 3 4 is 12 by 5. What is that? See here, this is the minus 1. Minus 1. Minus 1. Okay, now see here, LCM here, minus 1 by 5 plus 12 by 5 minus 1, that equal to 5 is LCM. Minus 1 plus 12 minus 5, that equal to, this is the positive 6 by 5. 6 by 5. Next, minus 1 1 is a minus 1 plus 0 minus 1. See here, minus 1 minus of minus plus 1, that equal to 0. 0. Next, 1 0. See here, this is the minus 1 into 0 0 0 3 3 minus 3. See here, 3 minus 3, this is also 0. Okay, right. Minus 3 by 5 plus 0, 6 by 5. Minus 3 by 5, 6 by 5, positive 3 by 5. Next, 0 0 plus 0 minus 0. See here, 0, this is also 0. Next, this one. Okay, minus in minus plus 1 by 5, 0 plus 1 by 5, 3 by 5. 1 by 5 plus 3 by 5. See, minus 0. 1 by 5 plus 3 by 5, 4 by 5. All, therefore all delta J are greater than or equal to 0. Delta J values are greater than or equal to 0. So, then we stop the procedure. Okay. Therefore, maximum Z equal to, what is that? X1 minus X2 plus 3X3. 3X3. That equals, see here, X1 value. X1 is there? No. So 0. Minus X2, minus 1 into minus 1 into 6. Okay, minus 1 into 6. X3 plus 3 into 4. That equal to minus 6 plus 12. That equal to 6. Therefore, maximum Z equal to 6. At X1 equal to 0, X2 equal to 6, X3 equal to 4. So, this is the simplex method table. Okay. Do you have any doubt? Please comment. Please subscribe my channel. Don't forget, like and share. Thank you, everyone.